Hello, it's K2Q2 here, and today I'm doing a daily car review, and this is a car review number 1, and today is August the 5th, 2014, and today's car we're going to look at is Splittin image. On the base of this car, it says Hot Wheels Vintage, so I believe it's one of the, 1960s cars. It says vintage there. It has golden wheels, black tires, golden engine here, and it extends to the back. 2 interiors with the yellow windshield. It's blue with this gold fire tampos, gold and white. Oh. Yeah, and then chromes here on the side. Sort of like 2 spikes in the front, and it has the white design there. Okay, thanks for watching, and look out for tomorrow for our next car review. Bye bye.